Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alfiananda. My number student is 20400122091. I will explain my answer. The first question is, what do you know of psycholinguistic as an approach for language pedagogy? My answer is psycholinguistic is the study of the relationship between language and the mind, focusing on how individuals comprehend, produce, and acquire language. As an approach to language pedagogy, it explores how learners process linguistic input and develop their linguistic abilities. Psycholinguistic emphasizes understanding cognitive process like memory, perception, and learning, enabling educators to design teaching strategies that align with how students acquire language naturally. For example, a teacher can apply insight into how reception or contextual cues help learners remember and produce language. The second question is, psycholinguistic as an approach has contributed three language teaching methods for language pedagogy. My answer is first is total physical response or TPR description developed by James Esser. TPR links language learning with physical action. Teachers give verbal command and students respond by performing the corresponding action. Based on the idea that humans acquire their first language by listening and performing action, creating a strong mind-body connection. Effective for beginners and young learners. The advantages is effective for beginners and young learners. Reducer stress and makes learning fun and interactive. Helps learner retain vocabulary through physical activity. Skill develop listening comprehension and vocabulary acquisition. The second method is Suggestopedia. Created by Georgio Lozanov, this method emphasizes creating a relaxed and positive learning environment. It uses music, visualization, and long dialogues or text to promote passive learning. Suggestopedia is founded on the belief that relaxed states and positive reinforcement enhance the brain ability to absorb new information. Advantages is reduce anxiety and increase learner confidence. Improve retention of vocabulary and sentence structure, makes the learning process feel natural and enjoyable. Skill developing is listening, speaking, and reading. The last method is the natural approach. Developed by Stephen Krashen and Terrell, this method focuses on providing comprehensible input without pressuring students to speak initially. Language is acquired naturally, similar to how children learn their first language. Based on Carson input hypothesis, which states that learners acquire language when exposed to inputs likely beyond their current level of understanding. The advantages is encourage natural language acquisition, reduce anxiety by not forcing early speech production, priorities comprehension before production. Skill development is listening comprehension and communication. The last question is, when you are required to choose on one among the three methods, which one is the most preferable to you? Why do you think it's the most preferable? My answer is I prefer to the total physical response or TPR because of its interactive and engaging nature. It is particularly effective for beginners of young learners as it connects language with physical action, making learning memorable and fun. The advantages is enhanced comprehension, reduced anxiety, and require active participant adaptable. I think that's all my answer. Thank you very much for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.